Hunter Johnson for Bill Penney Collision Dent and Glass. Are you looking to get in the collision industry? We're looking for the industry's best collision techs in the market.
We're looking for painters, estimators, you name it, we've got it here. We just need the best fit for our company because we're growing every day.
We got relocation packages ready for you, and also great benefits, industry leading pay, and did I mention, we're in the largest collision shop in the state of Alabama, and also the #1 Toyota certified collision shop of the year 2 years running.
We train daily, monthly, weekly. We'll get you certified in Toyota, we'll get you certified with iCar, we're getting certified in other OEMs. We've already been approached by Tesla and now Audi to become certified in those brands as well. We offer a flex schedule. I have techs working 4-day work weeks. I have technicians working 7 to 4. It's a Monday through Friday schedule, no Saturdays or Sundays.
If you want industry leading pay, relocation package to the #1 city in the nation, Huntsville, Alabama, check us out at putalabamatowork.com or billpenny.com.